Welcome back to the fire truck conversion series. We're converting this old fire truck back into a grocery getter. Aesthetically speaking, this thing is in pretty rough shape, and today we're going to be working on some of this adhesive that they had from the old lettering. Now the county's been removing this lettering, and they've done it their way. So they left all this adhesive. It still feels sticky to the touch. It's pretty nasty. I'm going to try and get that off. So we've got 3 different products that we're going to test to see which one works the best so that you know which one that you can use to get adhesive off of a painted surface. Let's get started. You'll want to use some sort of protective gloves to keep this stuff off of your skin. You don't want that absorbing into your system. First one we've got here is GOO GONE. That's my all-time favorite. I've used it for a long time. And then we've got 99% isopropyl alcohol, also in a spray bottle. And I splurged. I bought some of this 3M. It's a professional adhesive remover. We've got some clean rags. Let's get started. We're gonna go with the GOO GONE here. I'm spraying it on the F. That's going to be the GOO GONE's test letter. I usually like to let it sit for just a minute, soak into that adhesive, and sort of give me a head start before I start rubbing on it. Something I've always liked about GOO GONE is that citrusy smell. It smells really fresh and clean, but don't let that fool you. This is full of chemicals that are harsh and not good for you, so keep that in mind and make sure you're wearing some sort of protection, especially for your skin. And yeah, I had to speed up the video here because this took forever. My arms started hurting. I even let it sit for about 2.5 minutes there, and I came back and it still just won't come off no matter how much I rub. So I had to throw in the towel there, and look at this up here. It still has that GOO GONE residue. All right, it's time for alcohol now, and I really hope this is gonna work better because my arm is starting to hurt here. So I spray it really good on the towel because it's less likely to evaporate off. Now let's go over to the R. That's going to be the test letter, and check it out. It is cleaning like a boss. So much better than that GOO GONE. So that's really good. But one thing I'm doing here, I'm making a mistake. I'm trying to use the old alcohol. Make sure you reapply and keep that towel wet. Matter of fact, make sure you're using a clean part of the towel, and this will go a lot easier. It's something I learned as I was doing that. Now see, it's way cleaner. So we're gonna go ahead and speed this up here. It only took a couple more minutes to get down to that clean, shiny paint. What a result, that is great. Now let's try the professional stuff. I spent some money on this, so I really hope this is gonna work well. I've been looking forward to this, so let's try it out. We're gonna skip ahead to the letter R. That's gonna be our test letter for this stuff here. I'm just gonna let it soak for just a minute here, try and soften up that adhesive. Whoa, look at that. It's just melting right off of there. It's taking, and I'm not really pushing very hard either. This is really easy. The rag is just starting to dry up a bit. I can tell it's not working as well, so let's reapply. It's starting to get kind of fumey in here. I can smell this stuff. It's very strong. It's starting to get into my lungs. I hope I don't get too high doing this, but look at the result on that. It's looking so good, so easy to do, a lot faster. But this stuff is toxic and expensive, which is about what you'd expect from a professional product because the pros are all about getting it done quick. Now let's get a close-up look to compare the results. There's your GOO GONE, and well, the goo ain't gone. That looks terrible. Throw that stuff out. Here is the alcohol. That's 99%. And it took a little bit of elbow grease, but I think it did a really good job there. Here's the 3M. That looks almost perfect. These little bubbles here, I think that's under the paint. It might be some rust that's building up under the paint because it had stickers there for so long, but look at the rest of it. No residue at all. Well, I learned something today. This GOO GONE used to be my go-to for tar that gets on the paint, any tree sap from parking under trees, stuff like that. But it leaves this greasy haze on the paint. You gotta wash that off, and it really doesn't work all that well. You can see right here, it came in dead last. Now what I was thinking, you spend the extra money, you get the professional stuff, it's gonna be light years ahead of anything else, and it was pretty good, but this stuff is expensive and you're limited to adhesive cleaning on this, and really you don't wanna get this stuff in your lungs or on your skin. What I was really surprised by is this alcohol. You can buy 99% alcohol. This is what you're gonna use for cleaning, and you can put it in a spray bottle like this, but I make sure I mark it because it looks like water. Now this is awesome, as it turns out, for removing sticky adhesive, but it's also really good for super cleaning your windows, like the inside of your windshield. If that gets dirty and hazy, clean it good with some glass cleaner and then finish it off with 99% alcohol and like a microfiber towel. Works great, so I would recommend this for all your cleaning projects because it's really not hazardous. It's flammable, but it's not hazardous. And it works great on lots of stuff. So I've left a link in the description where you can get that and these spray bottles. I think that's going to be the professional's choice. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.